Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
Utheni uzolobola
Ngizokhokha ey'ndaweni ey'mbili.
embili
Ngimfuna umuntu ozozama ungishintsha umqondo.
yes guys. Ububes always gives us something to talk about, even if we don't want to talk about him, but he'll make sure. So recently he was talking to his father, of which is not possible. At least if ever there's some fast this month, and then after 3 months I touch home. Because I don't think Milelo has that money. Imali yosuke ayithatha kubaba yakhe noma kushona. Because wayena uMpumelelo akasebenzi or une-security company, maybe angaba nemali lapho, but le nto uMpumelelo ayenzayo guys, it's not it. It's not it. Sinini bebahambe bayilobola le ntombazana le kuthiwe uyibreakile, so kumele ayilobole. That led to i-split up sakhe noVuyokazi, which I think Vuyokazi made a good decision because uMpumelelo uyasithanda isithembu somjolo. It's not even Isembu. We can't even justify it as Isembu. Umpumelelo guys is a pure cheater. Ucheater aloku abhizathi uzomshada. Phambi kwenu akanifihleli. No guys, sikhuluma iqiniso. Isithembu uyamfihla umuntu ojola naye ube ushadile and then uyamthatha after. But Umpumelelo is not doing that. Umpumelelo is even introducing them abatshela ukuthi le girlfriend yami enye, like yo bazazokuwa yazi. I just thank God uVuyokazi usheshe wayibona le nto wahamba because ibingeke imsebenzele. He's trying so hard to be like his father, like he's trying so hard rather than being like ama-siblings wakhe amanye. Umpumelelo is trying so hard, so hard. I think ufuna nokudlula ubabakhe kulokho. Oh guys, so kule episode uBobby sekano-girlfriend entsha, uthi uyayikhiphela ilobolo, uyayithanda yena. Girlfriend yakhona amahle. I don't know ukuthi bahlangane kanjani nini cause thina sazi loya lo munye wama-hips, and abathanda abantu bama-hips abasidudla. Hey, but-ke uthi uyoshada yena leyo ntombazana leyo, uyayithanda yena, and then macedile ushada noTerelo ngesikhathi siyi-1. uTerelo yena ngoba uyisoja yale relationship, I think sebamshadela lo ukuthi ubekezile enough. Wayibekezelela nje indoda ichitha left right and center, and ayichithi ukuthi iyafihla, ichithela ukuthi iyakhomba nokukhomba. Wayibekezelela yena. So I know sisikhathi akasapoti nomntana. Oh guys, it's a lot kule show shem. Hayi kuningi. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.